My name's Laura Altom, and I'm a colon and rectal surgeon with North Carolina Surgery. I originally knew that I wanted to be a doctor. From the time that I was young, I always knew that I wanted to be in the healthcare field and kind of explored that a lot. It was always gastrointestinal surgery for me too. I mean, everybody's a little bit different, and I get that question all the time of, why colon and rectal surgery? I mean, I get that question probably 3 or 4 times a week. The very first operation that I got to participate in was a heart and lung surgery, and I thought it was really neat. And you know, you're seeing like a live heart beating and lungs breathing, and you would think it would have bowled me over, but really that happened when I did my first gastrointestinal surgery. I saw like the intestines kind of moving, and that was it. I was sold after that. My favorite part of my job, hands down, is just interacting with and taking care of my patients. Every bit of my training was kind of leading up to being able to see a patient, to meet a patient, to address their disease process, and hopefully to completely fix them, or at least make them better, and that is hands down the most rewarding part of my job. And I'm always so sad whenever I see patients and we've completely addressed their problem, and then I'm like, you don't need to see me anymore, it's very bittersweet. And I think they feel the same way, because it's like, you know, I've fixed you, but I, developed a relationship and I kind of want to see them again, but I'm like, well, maybe I'll just run into you at the grocery store. And that does sometimes happen, actually. I think that our association with UNC Healthcare is extremely beneficial to patients in terms of kind of broadening our practice resources. In medicine, there's never a wrong time to get more help, more information, a second opinion, more resources. So what do I like to do in my free time? I read a lot. I love taking my dog on hikes. I love getting outdoors, especially in the summertime, kayaking, any kind of water sports I absolutely love. But I'll tell you, most of the time I'm curled up with a good book at home with my dog there. I find a lot of enjoyment in what I do at work, and so I'm not one of those people who works to live. Like, it's not a means to an end for me. I really love my career.